watching my fan speed, I'm watching my travel speed, I'm watching my header height, I'm watching a grain loss monitor that's telling me what's happening out the back. This particular variety is not yielding like the other half of the field. We were getting about 230 to 240 bushels per acre. The moisture is still high, but at the farm we have propane and we will dry it. In organic farming, one of the largest challenges is weed management. The important thing is the ground preparation before you plant. You need to have the soil tilled right before you plant it. You want the temperatures to be that germination happens immediately. We have a tine weed, what's called a tine weeder from Germany, that we go over it and disturb the top of the soil, which disturbs the weed sprouts before it comes up. Then we use that same tine weeder, and when it's up a couple inches, we start cultivating. So weather and timing is critical to weed management and organic farming. We've been fortunate to get good rains. It's caused our harvesting to be later, but the corn is, as you can see, is standing well. It hasn't broken down. Non-GMO, so it's not modified seed. It's been a good year.